ball?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, okay. Lucky. Okay. Ready to go.
You got it.
I'm going to drink some orange juice.
What's your favorite game?
Toys R Us.
Toys R Us? Who's your favorite babysitter?
Sarah Hope.
Sarah Hope? What about moi?
You know what? That's true.
A while ago you said I was your favorite babysitter.
Both of you are my favorite babysitters.
Okay, that's good.
Whoa.
Ooh. Yay! You want to say something? You want to say something from Mommy or Daddy on here?
Mommy, Daddy, Daddy.
And Isaac?
Isaac, Bella, Grandma TV.
Okay, I'm going to turn it off now.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I want to see the video again.
Okay, come over here.
I want to see the video.
Wait a minute.